Hi everyone, it's Marky. Let's talk about this crocodile dentist toy. I bought this for my kids. I have 4 small kids and they love fun little toys that they can all play together. This one is so simple. It comes assembled, it doesn't have batteries. It's just the easiest toy ever and it keeps them entertained forever. So you just open up the crocodile's mouth like that. And then the game is the crocodile has a tooth that hurts. So you push down the teeth. Each person pushes down the teeth until the person gets the tooth that hurts. And it changes every time. So you never know what tooth it's going to be. My kids sit in a circle and they just push down the teeth. The first person that pushes down the tooth, that is the sore tooth, and it's always scary, it clamps down. It doesn't hurt them. My kids are pretty young. It doesn't hurt. It just clamps down and kind of scares you. And so then they say, okay, well, that person's out of the game. And then everybody that's still in the game, they restart it and play until the last person standing is the winner. And they just have the most fun with this. I love that you don't have to have batteries. You don't have to plug it in. They can take it with them on vacation. They can take it in the car. It keeps them entertained if they're sitting next to each other. I've had kids that just sit there and play with it just as one person and laugh like crazy every time it bites them because it always shocks them. So this is held up great. They've had this for like a year. It seriously looks the exact same. Nothing's come off. It looks the exact same as when I got it. If you're looking for something that's just easy, portable, you don't have to worry about it being super loud and having to replace batteries, everything like that, I think this is perfect and it will entertain your kids for a really long time. So I hope this was helpful. Thank you.